You think you know how to search YouTube? Well, you're wrong. Right now, Google is quietly testing a feature that fundamentally turns this entire platform into a conversational AI chatbot. That search bar you use every single day, it's dead.
Seriously, what if this search bar is actually dying? For creators, this is a massive existential threat. Think about it. What happens to your views when YouTube's AI just gives the viewer the exact answer they want directly on their screen without them ever clicking your content? The answer is brutal. Your traffic completely vanishes. We are staring down the barrel of a massive paradigm shift here. YouTube is no longer just a platform for human viewers. It is quietly transforming into the world's most powerful AI search engine. And listen to me, if you do not change how you produce your content right now, an AI is going to steal your traffic. But don't panic. Stick with me until the end of this explainer because I am going to reveal the exact AI optimization framework you need to survive this shift. To future-proof your channel, hit that like button right now. Drop a comment with your thoughts on AI below and make sure you subscribe to @BrainTechAuth. Let's get into it. Let's look at this Ask YouTube arsenal. How does it actually work in the real world? Right now, it's an experimental feature for opted-in US premium users over 18. Instead of typing in a basic keyword and mindlessly scrolling through thumbnails, you just ask a complex conversational question. Bam! The AI gives you an instant text summary right there on the screen. It pulls exact, time-stamped citations. It even hits you with in-player follow-up prompts. And if you think this is just some little phone gimmick, think again. They are aggressively rolling out this voice-driven search to smart TVs. They are fundamentally changing the biggest screen in your living room. Now, here is the absolutely terrifying reality of what this means for the survival of your content. YouTube is actively testing replacing creator-written titles with AI-generated summaries right in the feed. Think about what that means. If your explainer relies on a vague, curiosity-driven, clickbaity title, the AI simply won't know what it's about. So what does the machine do? It actively edits your pitch. It literally overwrites your carefully crafted title with its own summary. And just like that, poof, your search visibility is completely destroyed. So why is Google orchestrating this massive platform shift? Because YouTube is the ultimate data hub. Get a load of this. Recent data shows that YouTube is cited 200 times more than platforms like TikTok or Vimeo by AI engines. We're talking ChatGPT, Google AI overviews, all of them. YouTube isn't just winning the viewing war anymore. It is actively powering the entire AI web. Because it's powering the web, we really have to understand how human behavior is changing in this new landscape. A massive academic study of over 900 people revealed something pretty incredible. When AI is introduced to search, it helps users find specific information in long-form content 25% faster. Now, that is a massive efficiency boost for a lazy viewer, but it comes with a deeply hidden cost. 32%. That is the shocking truth about the AI trust crisis. That exact same study proved that when the AI chatbot hallucinates, when it confidently lies to the user about what is actually inside your content, human accuracy drops by 32%. Why? Because we humans absolutely love to blindly trust a confident machine. Viewers look at the AI summary, they assume it's completely factual, and they completely bypass your actual content. So what's the play here? How do you survive? How do you adapt when viewers blindly trust an AI that might literally overwrite your title? Enter the solution, Generative Engine Optimization, GEO. This means making your content semantically clear, tightly structured, and highly factual. You have to ensure that large language models choose you as the definitive source citation. Guys, this isn't optional anymore. It is your absolute indispensable lifeline to survive this new zero-click era. This requires a massive, massive strategic pivot. The outdated strategy? Optimizing purely for human clicks. You used clickbaity titles, right? You relied on curiosity gaps. You optimized for human eyes looking at a flashy, colorful thumbnail. Well, that era is overdone. The modern necessity is generative engine optimization. You absolutely must prioritize semantic clarity and factual structures for machine LLMs. You have to speak directly to the AI so the AI can confidently speak to the human. Adapt to AI readability right now or simply become invisible. So here is the exact actionable framework you promised, the GEO blueprint. Step 1, optimize the first 45 seconds with explicit language. Do not waste time with long, drawn-out intros. State your topic immediately so the AI can log on and summarize it perfectly.
Step 2, build meaningful architectural chapters. Don't just treat them as decorative afterthoughts. Use them to strictly map your information so the AI can pull out specific timestamps. Step 3, standardize your terminology. Make sure your title, description, and script use the exact same keywords. Do not confuse the machine with a bunch of synonyms. And finally, step 4, target specific answerable moments. Build your explainers around real user questions like how-tos and highly detailed tutorials. Why? Because conversational AI heavily favors instructional, tightly structured formats over generic entertainment.
The absolute most crucial takeaway from this explainer is simple. You must become the ultimate ground truth. In a digital landscape where reviewers blindly trust AI summaries, even when they are 100% wrong, you have to step up. You need to become the most accurate, factual, and machine-readable resource on the entire internet. You are no longer just fighting for a human click. You are fighting to be the verified source of truth for an artificial intelligence. But I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. If an AI can perfectly summarize your highly structured 10-minute tutorial into a 3-bullet text response right on the user screen, how exactly is YouTube going to monetize this conversational future? And more importantly,